guys, what's up? Hi, how are you guys doing? Give me 2 minutes, we'll start, okay? Give me two. We'll start in 2 minutes, guys. Sorry for the delay, sorry, guys. Sorry. My God, maaf kar do. How was your day? It's going, man. Too many meetings piled up today, so that's happening. Lotus institutional buying. What is Lotus institutional buying? Yeah, just give me one more minute, we'll start. Yeah, we'll start in a bit, guys. One second. No, session's not over. We'll start a B. One second. Start in a bit, guys. Okay, let's start. Let's begin a quick session today. Okay, what's been happening in the market today? Today, the market was very boring, right? What do I mean by very boring? Do you guys know what very boring market means? Right? मतलब कुछ भी नहीं हुआ आज market में. If you look at the market, it has gone down by what 2 points, like the flattest market I could ever see. Like an LCD TV, it was that flat, right? It was the flattest market I've ever seen. It's literally gone only up by 2%, so it's quite sad. It's very boring. Such a market is usually known as a muted market or a flat market or a very boring market, right? Okay. Now let's look at some other stuff in the market. Today, someone was saying Lotus Labs went up. Lotus Labs actually went, but I don't know. I don't see any news with respect to institutional buying of Lotus Labs, so I don't know about that. But what I have been looking at is, if you look at what the new RBI guidelines have come, did you guys check the RBI guidelines with respect to cryptocurrency? Did you guys check the new RBI guidelines? What did it say? I want to hear from you guys as well. What did it exactly say? Right, so basically what is happening in the past few months, right, or past few weeks, was basically that the lot of banks were withdrawing their support from the RBI, right, withdrawing the support from all cryptocurrency companies. This was happening from quite a few times. that everyone was just withdrawing their support. Why? Because they were not sure whether this was good or bad. And they were always saying that it is not permitted, it is illegal, and they were using some weird terms. So what happened was the entire government came and said that, you know what, don't use such terms. RBI came and said, don't cite, okay, um, don't cite such terms. The reason why it said don't cite such terms is because it is not something illegal, and you should still support the cryptocurrency firms, and don't just do something like this. Now, is that a good sign or a bad sign, guys? What do you guys think? Is that a good sign or a bad sign? You guys tell me. Right, it's a good sign. Why it's a good sign? Because now people are getting open towards cryptocurrency and investing in cryptocurrency, right? So from that perspective, it is a very good sign, not a bad sign at all. Now, if you think about it from another angle, right, is it a good thing for a bad thing for a long term perspective? I don't know about long term perspective, right? How many months will the RBI do the same thing? Will they continue this or not continue this? Will they suddenly uh, put a stop to it or not put a stop to it, right? So we don't know, but for now RBI has approved it and said okay. So that is something which is considered as a good sign. Okay, so that's good. Anyway, Paytm's shares, okay, Paytm's shares have gone up to 21,000 rupees in the gray market. Okay, Paytm shares have gone up by 21,000 rupees in the gray market. Crazy, right? Gray market is unlisted shares, by the way. Huh? So obviously now, because Paytm is coming for an IPO, its price has gone up significantly, like mad. It's gone up. Okay, it's crazy. One sec. Okay. Now, Mumbai sees a 29% dip in new home sales in May. Mumbai shows a 29% dip in the new home sales share in May. So what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Connect the dots. Try connecting the dot, guys. 29% drop in sales in Mumbai, right? So what's going to happen is real estate might go down. Yes, real estate might go down. All the real estate shares might go down because of this again. So that is something that is bad. REITs are anyway not doing well because no one's going into office right now, but all the other companies that have predominant share, okay, a lot of other companies that have predominant share in what do you call that, in Bombay, will go down. Correct. Now, do you know what are the different type of companies that are there in the real estate place? There is Loda, there is Shobha, there are a lot of other names as well. All these companies are currently trading in the stock market right now. Okay, another, let me see what is the other interesting news. Indigo has just announced that it will give everyone compulsory leave for all its employees. They've put all of them on compulsory leave, and Indigo says that they will not pay their employees even 1 rupee, right? Which is again sad. Do you know that Indigo just recently announced that they want to come? They recently want to come and do an IPO as well. So Indigo reimposes compulsory leave without pay. Okay, without pay for employees, which again is quite sad. Okay, but since it is not, say for example, if it is not a listed company, you don't see the share price going up or down, right? Uh, Okay. Now look at ITC. Okay, ITC's results have also come out today. And if you look at how the ITC Q4 preview looks like, single digit growth has been seen. Single digit revenue growth has been seen. And people are saying PAT may dip up to 7% year on year. These are all expectations, right? Let me just check on their, let me go to BSC India and check if the result has actually come out. These are all industry or analysts' predictions. Okay, they've also, okay, board to consider results. Okay, so board to consider results on Jan 1st and considered dividend today as well. Oh wait, Indigo is listed. One second, no. Oh yeah, Indigo is listed. Sorry, Indigo is listed. It is Interglobe Aviation, if I'm not wrong. I was thinking about Goa. My bad. This was a difference in that. Yeah, so let me just check if the finances of ITC have come out. No, the finances of ITC, the result of ITC has not come out yet, right? It's not yet come out. We're still waiting for the result to come out. I think it's gonna come out today, if I'm not wrong. Today's the result is not. It's supposed to come out. It'll come in the evening, and also you will also see a lot of dividend, right? Again, every time dividend to hota hi hai, so you will see a lot of dividend happening as well. Mahindra and Mahindra May month ka sales tumble by 52%. Mahindra and Mahindra's May sales tumble by 52% over the previous month because a lot of people are not buying cars. And if you think about it, for the entire motor segment, right, it is so difficult. Um, it is so difficult to sell cars in such a particular time, because just think about it, right? Imagine I go buy a car. Okay, just imagine I go buy a fancy car right now. What will I do with the car? I will do a fancy car. I will do some puja on that car. I will cut some ribbon on that car. Thoda nimbu vimbu mein chalaunga. That is the only time I will drive my car. Literally on the nimbu. That's it. And stand next to the car, do some 10 photos, put it on Instagram, start the car, show off, rev it little bit. वो नींबू के ऊपर 2 मिनट चल के बस, that's your speed breaker for life now. Because until COVID is over, you can't even go for a round in that car. Quite sad, right? Even Tata Motors sales dropped by 38% in May. That means everyone's sales are dropping in May, right? Because no one's buying only in May. Everyone's like, kya fayda abhi kharid ke bhi, it is going to sit at home. And in fact, if you get a new car and you don't use it for a very long period of time, then it will become very difficult because it'll start getting spoiled also. Okay. Apart from that, there's a very interesting company. Have you guys heard of Avendus Capital? Have you guys heard of Avendus Capital? Okay, so Avendus Capital, okay, is actually a very big company. Started off as a very small company, slowly became big, slowly became big. Now Avendus helps a lot of company go IPO. Avendus helps a lot of company do M&A transactions, big companies. Now Avendus Capital, okay, has an AUM, asset under management, of 800 million under their short term strategies. It is one of the largest hedge fund managers in India. Yes, it's an investment bank, investment bankers, and also it is inside the investment banking circle. Like when I wanted to become, an investment banker at that point, Avendus is like the best bank to go and work for. Okay, it was very difficult to get into Avendus. Number one, they only take Ivy League people. Okay, what is Ivy League means? You need to be Harvard, Oxford graduate types. Okay, they only take Ivy League people, one of that, and their yearly salary is out of this world. Okay, starting salary is around 30 lakhs or something like that a year. So basically there was this joke inside the investment banking circle that you should go, even IIMs, right? I mean, IIMs also difficult, you have to be Ivy League, right? And basically there's an internal joke where it said that you can go work in Avendus for 5 years and then you will literally be so exhausted because there's no Saturday Sunday off as well. So you'll work for almost 367 365 days, at any time beck and call, but you will have no mental peace, no work life balance. Okay, all that will happen, but you will make a lot of money for 5 years and then you can chill out. Most IBs are like that, but trust me, Avendus is nothing like you have ever seen. Okay. Infosys insider trading has happened. Okay, SEBI bars 8 entities from the stock market and fines rupees 3 crores to everyone. Right, so 3 crores ka fine hua hai, and apparently eight firms have been barred from the stock market. It was based on an extract where the Infosys quarter ended result of 30th June was basically gone to a few people, and someone traded on that kind of insider information and they got caught, and now obviously these entity firms are barred from entering the stock market. Sad, right? Where are you reading this news from? So I have a team of writers who specifically write news for me every day. So this is a specific team that I have enrolled. Um, it's the S team. Okay, so they only find news which is only for me. No one else in the world can see such a news. So it is only a specific kind of news that, and it's all true. Don't worry, nothing is fake. Everything's true, but nobody in the world knows. First I know, then everyone else knows. So it's my own team that does this. Yeah, it's a very big team. It's around 50 people sitting in 30 different countries, including China. So all that keeps happening. Yeah, awesome. So they're tracking everything. Don't worry, don't worry. It's nice to get this accent once in a while. When you say different countries and all, you should put have accent in the gaps. Yeah. Mm. Okay. What else? So Aventus is like doing really well, not bad. So I tried to apply for Avendus at one point of time early in my career. I got rejected like it was no one's business. Because they're like, you're not even Ivy League, you're not even IIM. कहाँ से आया तू? What is your goal in life? So I think when I sent my resume only, I got rejected. Like it didn't even reach the analyst level. So it was tough. It was tough. It was tough. But yeah, no issues. Raghav is just constantly saying, talk about small case, talk about small case. What you want me to talk about small case? Bro, today evening full episode only I'm going to talk about small case. अभी भी बात करूँ, शाम को भी बात करूँ, कल भी बात करूँ, परसों भी बात करूँ, ऐसा नहीं होता ना. It is not possible. Um, but today at 8 p.m. I will, you said you will tell the name. Yes, today only I will tell the name at 8 p.m. on YouTube. I have put it up. It's ready. People thought आज मतलब आज इसमें बोलूंगा. No, no, I'm not gonna do it here, Raghav. You can go to Avnon Meta Live YouTube channel. I have already set it up. You can set a reminder if you forget. But 8 p.m. today in the evening, I'm coming and I'll tell you all the names. Don't worry. कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा. सब name बोल दूंगा. Okay? Awesome. My God, some people are just damn pissed off. Like, Shashank, you said today means abhi bol. I'm like, calm down. I will. I will. No problem. Yes. Okay. What else? Let me see if there's any other interesting news today. International flight ban now till 30th June. I mean, like, it's like we've already come to terms with, we're not gonna go internationally at all. So it's fine. Like, don't give us those hopes and say that it's banned till 30th June. We all know that. We all know that. But again, one very important thing that I wanted to talk to you all about. I'm very happy with the new RBI thing, even though it's not clearly said anything. Okay, so it's not actually clearly said is it legal or illegal or whatever. Um, but banks were just using the old RBI rule to make people get scared in the market. So now RBI is just saying just do more customer due diligence when you're involving in your virtual currencies. Yeah, that's what RBI said. But it's not like it's legal or illegal still, but this is good because now you can start investing in a few, right? Now even I'm coming back to crypto. Till now I was never talking about crypto because I didn't know what the stance of the government was. The only reason why I never spoke about crypto is because I want to know what the stance of the government is, and it now looks like it is in a good way, in a good limelight. So I think I'll start redoing crypto versions, right? Because till now I've never educated people about crypto. I don't talk much about crypto. But what I can do is I can slowly start doing more content on crypto, different kind of exchanges, exchange reviews, coin fundamental analysis. Maybe do a proper coin fundamental analysis about Matic and Polygon and Bat token and Bitcoin and Ethereum and the future. Basically, like coin reviews, exchange reviews, coin reviews, और क्या reviews कर सकता है SEO में? Because till now I wasn't talking about it, but I think now since it's getting more chill in India, it's not like the last time. I was just scared because of last time, but now it's getting more chill. Yeah, how to read white papers very quickly, how to do your own research when it comes to an ICO. What is an ICO? First of all, that's one big nonsense. How to see what is the potential of a stock, how much can it go up. We can actually talk about ADA. We can do a lot of coin reviews actually. I mean, if you only look at, let me open Coin Market Cap right now, right? If you look at Coin Market Cap, apart from the top three, there's Cardano, there's Binance Coin, just on constantly going up. There's Dogecoin, which I'm not going to talk about. Enough has been spoken about it. May the Doge rest in peace. XRP Coin, Polkadot. A lot of people want me to do a research on Polkadot. Okay, Dot Coin. ICP is something that is doing really well. Internet computer something. I don't know. I'm completely away from all this. Uh, Litecoin has been there from ages. Polygon is currently a new thing that has come out in the market. Theta token has come up. Oh wow, okay, it's at $7. Wow, I didn't know that it's in the top 20. Filecoin apparently a lot of people are talking about. So what we can do is, yeah. So I don't. Yeah. So see, a lot of people are saying tokenomics is bad. Do you know that the entire virtual crypto market is dependent on a lot of finance, insane amount of token economics, insane amount of finance. So when someone says Dogecoin will go to $1, I'm like, calm down, okay? Or when someone says Dogecoin will go to $100, I'm like, it's impossible. right? Why is it impossible? Because then Dogecoin will have to be more expensive than Bitcoin itself, more valuable than Bitcoin itself. Why? Because a lot of people look at the price of the coin and still make decisions, and people don't understand market cap is more important than price of the coin. I really don't know how people are still so ignorant when it comes to market cap versus price. They think price of 100 rupees and another coin is 1,000 rupees. That means 1,000 rupees coin is bigger than 100 rupees coin. That's not how it works, right? It all depends on market cap. So I think we can do that. Do you guys think that would be valuable for you guys? Like start crypto series or start talking about crypto on AML, because I think I've covered almost everything on what do you call that? I think I've covered almost everything on equity, almost everything. Right? I've taught you all how to read an IPO document. I've taught you all how to read finances quickly. Um, Okay, we can start. Let's do 1 month of crypto then. A crypto series. Okay, where we'll do some reviews. 1 month of crypto, I'm talking about on Avalon Meta Live. Huh? So we'll do a lot of crypto series, maybe a little bit on Instagram. We can do some crypto episodes. Um, yeah, so let's see. I can tell you what my personal experiences have been. How to make your wallets, like that is one big question that a lot of people are asking ki wallet kya kare, iska kya kare, how to make your own wallet, safe wallet. I'll show you where I'm keeping my, how, not where, but how I keep my cryptos. Yeah, and that's what I'm saying, there's a lot of things, right? But basically, all in all, I'm going to teach you how to be smart and not stupid, so that you don't fall into that Dogecoin problem next time, which I kept saying from day one, mat karo, mat karo, mat karo. I don't know, nobody listened to me. All the people who bought at 70 cents are now sitting at 32 cents, 50% down. पहले ही बोला था अभी मत रोना चालू करो. And I kept saying buy Ethereum a lot in the start, and obviously that's going to give you great returns. But I'll talk about more. I'll obviously teach you guys the basics, because a lot of people don't know about the basics itself. Because you guys, a lot of people, what happens, they tend to get swayed away with some new coin that comes into the market, especially when it has a dog face. People are like, oh, let me buy the coin, I'll just put all my life savings into it. And it goes down, right? Especially with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. So, mat karo aisa. Even if there's a cute cat, don't go behind the cat. Actually, go behind the actual fundamentals of the coin, and we can figure out what the fundamentals of the coin are, and we will look at it from a very logical standpoint. Huh? I am not going to tell you what is, I'm not going to basically tell you a recommendation of what to buy. That is not something that I ever do. Okay. I will show you about a coin, good stuff and bad stuff. Whether it has a future or whether I feel it doesn't have a future. That is something I will do. Rest is up to you, right? बाद में tomorrow I don't want people coming and telling नहीं 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 शशांक ने वो review किया था, he told me to buy that coin, so I bought that coin and now it's gone down. अभी शशांक has to give me 35 cents back. I will not, I'm not in that game, not in that business. Okay, so I will only do educational reviews for you guys to teach you how to read everything. Basically, I'll make you guys little experts. Let's call it like an experts. I think all the people, especially who are in the, okay, I want to ask a question, a very realistic question. Now there are approximately 400 listeners right now, right? 400 listeners right now. Out of you all, yes, 414. Thank you, Arpit. I really should have been more specific on that, but okay. So tell me one thing. How many of you all have been following me for more than 1 year? Damn. Okay, quite a few people. How has your idea or has your perception of finance, whether it's equity or stock market, I don't care, whether it's whichever market, has your perception of finance changed or become better? Are you seeing more into the future? Or are you seeing kal, aaj, parso? Right? Uh, do you guys now very specifically understand that we should stay away from FOMO and look at long term wealth creation rather than FOMO wealth creation? Someone recently cracked one joke somewhere, I think in one of the chats before, that we have moved away from being Homo sapiens to FOMO sapiens right now. Like we've literally become FOMO sapiens, right? You guys crashed the app, oh? Crazy, dude. Yeah, so apparently we have literally become FOMO sapiens than Homo sapiens, number one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, guys, since you guys are now slowly coming into that mindset of long term wealth creation, what we will do is we will slowly, I will teach you the same kind of mindset behavior that is required in the crypto world. All the people who haven't updated their app, please update their app. That is very important. Also, all the people who haven't put your profile pictures, you might lag, so please put your profile pictures. I get very irritated when I don't see profile pictures. It's so weird. So yeah, yeah, profile picture is very important. It's if not, I don't know, it will not work for you. No, but the thing is, let me start doing a crypto kind of a thing for you guys as well. Let me start educating people on that. Again, not recommendations, not telling you to buy anything. I'm just going to educate you. Okay, let's try that. Let me start making some content piece for this month or next month, whichever, or middle of this month. But let me try that. But again, today you guys know what is happening, right? Today, very, very important episode, huh? Trust me on this. See now, the smart people, okay, today, smart people, also some people who have enough money also today, smart people and people who have enough money today will definitely, uh, if they take it to their advantage, will make a good amount of money over a long period of time, right? So I would recommend for people who already have money, okay, to definitely watch this video and take some inspiration on this, right? Because it is something that is very smart. And I'm not going to tell you what to buy and what to sell. It is completely up to you guys. I'm just going to do a proper analysis of what is good and what is bad and how to evaluate whether something is good or whether something is bad. Acha, aaj salary aaya, even I mera aaya aaj hi. So even I put some money into Capital Mind again. But again, I'll show you a proper definition of what is going to happen. If you want to do your own research till then, right, if you want to do your own research till then, I have anyway uploaded that YouTube video ka reminder. Under that, all the links are already there, right? If you want, if you have free time, go through them, and after my session you can take a decision. But I think you should at least do some research about them, right? So again, I'm going to show you both 360-degree angle of what I feel is good, what I feel is bad, and most importantly how you should judge a particular thing, a small case, and whether it is good or whether it is bad. So that is something that I'm going to teach you today, and how to do it for the rest of your life, huh? I don't only teach you, whenever I teach you something, it's not for today, not for tomorrow. I teach you in such a way, that's why I take so much time, effort, and it takes me longer to teach you guys something. Like sometimes people say your videos are so long, it takes so long to finish one video and all that. The reason why that is the case is because ek bar if you watch it, then you don't need to watch it for the rest of your life, right? Because I'll make the concept so clear in your head ki you will be like, dude, I don't need to understand anything else, I'm sorted in life, right? That is what I do. Cool. Awesome. So let's do the final thing. Let us take a few amazing guys on stage and do one quick session on Q and A's. Okay. So for all the people who are new, click on Ask to Speak, and I will take you up on stage. Are you going to make any changes to your small case? No. But by the way, I have uploaded the Tata small case that a lot of people wanted. I don't know how many of you all really wanted that, but a lot of people were saying Tata small case chahiye, Tata small case chahiye. So I've uploaded that also. So you can have a look of that as well. Okay. When will Grow have small case? Very soon, guys. Very soon. Okay. Okay. Click on Ask to Speak, and I will take a few people on stage. Damn, there's so many people asking to be on stage. Arey yaar, I again clicked on the same guy. Your DP is just weirdly attractive, Kunal. I have clicked on Kunal 3 times in the last 3 days. Now I feel bad, right? Because दूसरे लोग को भी chance देना चाहिए. It's just so nice his DP. Okay, I'm gonna take a few people on stage. You guys can come. A lot of people, Dragon Ball Z fans, look like a lot of who's God. I accepted Rakesh's request. I think he is not accepting to come up on stage. 2 times I have accepted. It's like Rakesh is teasing me. Yes, I accepted it twice. Okay, let me just accept a few people. Come on, guys. You guys need to come on stage. I'm waiting. I'm constantly accepting people. So if you guys want to come, you can come. Okay, I've accepted like 10 invites and I'm only getting two people on stage. Okay, lucky two. More questions means more learning. So for all the people who are slightly silently shy, does not matter. You can come on stage. Yeah. Debanshu Rathi, I don't see your Rakesh Junwala. Third time I'm accepting. Third time. Uh, oh ho! This looks so nice. I I I imagine there'll be one day where this actually is the case. Okay, where there is Rakesh's photo and my photo. Hopefully, it is just a photo and not a GIF. Oh my God! Who else? Look at this. Who else came online? Aditya, you're in the middle of Elon and Rakesh. It feels like right now. Yeah. So it'll be awesome to look at Rakesh and Elon. First, let's take Aditya's question because Aditya is deeply staring into my soul. Aditya, come on, tell me your question. Aditya, Aditya, I think you're on mute, Aditya. He's shocked. He's like Elon and Rakesh. I don't think I should talk too much. Aditya, are you here? Can anyone hear Aditya? GG, Aditya. GG. Okay, nobody can hear Aditya. Okay, we'll go to the next question, which is go by Tonmay. Tonmay, I think I know you're from
Yeah,
Bengal. Sure. Take
yeah,
on.
hi. Yeah, first of all, thank you for calling me on stage. I'm a big fan. I'm following
Yeah.
you for near about 2 months. So my question is, I am looking for
Hey,
long-term
where do you find
investment.
me from? Where do you find me from?
Okay, I saw your video in Grow, and
Ah, okay.
I do a lot of YouTube searching and all. I'm trying to learn and educate myself. So from there, I started following in all the channel because I can really connect to you, can learn from you a lot.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, man.
Yeah. So my question to you is that I have been a disciplined person. I'm just praising about myself. So I have saved some money for in my account. I do mutual from the last 5 years, and I also buy my company stock, which is in US. That goes part of my company where I work. Now I'm just confused with the amount. I wanted to invest
Which
in small
company is
case,
that?
but
What is the company again? Can you repeat?
yeah. So I work in a company called NetApp.
Net.
Yeah, I buy its stocks. Like it is given,
What
I
is
buy my own
it's
company
a listed
stocks.
company?
Yeah, it's a Nasdaq listed company. That's right.
National. Okay. Awesome. Okay, go
Right.
ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. So my question you is that I have some couple of amount in my bank, and I wanted to invest in small case. Did lot of research, was seeing the weightage and the spreads. But the only thing that is bothering me is since I'm starting new, I am a very new investor. Is
Yeah.
it the right time to go in? I know people keep telling that there is no right time, wrong time, but I just wanted to know from you that do you think it is right time for me to invest? Because I have read a lot of books which says don't wait for market correction on, but just to want to get your perspective of what should I do.
No, I'll tell you what, I have the same theory, man, to be honest, right? As you would say that I've read in a lot of places where they say there is no time, right time, and you can't. But the thing is, it's true, right? I'll tell you why. Are you going to invest right now, and this is the last time you're ever investing in your life? Is that the case?
No, no.
No, right? That means you are
Right.
going to invest again once more somewhere in your life.
Yes.
That means whatever you invest now, you will average it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So then, does today's investing actually matter, whether it's good or bad?
Yeah. Right.
No point.
It actually doesn't matter.
Now,
So I
worst case,
think.
what will happen is, I'll tell you why people think like this, right? Is it a good time to buy or sell? The reason why people think, it is not a good time is because they feel that, what, maybe the market will correct tomorrow and I will be caught on the wrong side of things. And then again, rather I wait until it corrects and then I'll buy it later, right? That's what a lot of people have that notion, the right time
Right.
to enter the market. But if you're investing, say, every month a particular amount, say you're doing an SIP kind of an investment, which is what even I do, right? Every month. So
Mm-hmm.
if you invest today and it goes down tomorrow, in fact, I will be very happy if it consolidates. In fact, the more time a particular stock consolidates, I'm very happy. Why? Because my average is being averaged out at a lower rate as compared to being averaged out at a higher rate.
Right.
You get the point?
Right.
So if I
And
buy
I have one.
something at
Yeah.
100
Yeah.
rupees, okay, and it
Mm-hmm.
goes up by say 50%, and it's at 150 rupees, and I buy again of 100 rupees, what is my new average right now? 125?
Right.
Correct. But if it stays at 150 rupees for a long period of time and I keep averaging, then my average goes up to 130, 135, 140, eventually leading up to an average of 150 only.
Correct.
So that is why I said there is no such thing as a right time. In fact, if you just open Sensex and you just look at long-term chart, it is always going up. So that is, I would never say this is the right time or a bad time. In fact, the best time is to invest more when it goes down. That is the best time.
Got it.
Yeah.
I have one more question. So my question is it okay if you have done an analysis of an stock and you really know this stock will really do well in next 10 years, is it good that you invest a good chunk of your savings in that and leave it like either you invest in SIP or leave it like that, like taking a risk on your savings account and investing on something which you really think it will be good.
See,
Is it a good
anything that
idea?
is good will not be good is all a long-term dependent game, right? What
Right.
is good today might not be good tomorrow. What is good tomorrow might not be good today. That's logic. Now, the
Right.
question of saying, okay, should I put all my savings into one thing? Definitely not,
Right.
right? But if you
Mm-hmm.
find five things that you like, let's assume you found five stocks that you like. Okay, then you,
Mm-hmm.
every month you keep putting money in that five stocks. How does it matter? Does it make
Got
any
it. Got it.
difference?
Got your point, and I really like your small case which you have designed. But when I saw the small case, the 5,000 small case already became 6,000 some change. So I was like, okay, like I was
Doesn't
late in the
matter.
market as I told you.
If you saw the small case video, what did I say there?
Yeah.
Very clearly.
No. Yeah. Yeah. You told that it will go like there will be changes and stuff like that, right?
Not about changes. I didn't say there will be changes. I said hold it for a minimum period of 1 year and it is going to go up because all the four stocks that or all the stocks that you see in either of the small cases are all long
Mm-hmm.
term wealth creation stocks. None of it is a gambling
Right.
stock. And everything is
Right.
coming
Right.
quite strong. So
Right. Right.
if your next question is should I invest? Is this the right time to invest? I'm like, bro, again, same coming back to question
No.
number
No. No.
one.
No. No. Yeah. Yeah. I got it. I got it. Thanks. I will be following today's 8 o'clock. I have already put a reminder. So thank you so much for all your talks.
Nice, nice. Hope it helps and hope you start making good percentage return. That's why I put in the title also saying
Yes.
percentage matters, right? Because everything
Yeah.
in life is about percentage and not INR. The faster the
Absolutely.
people realize that, the faster people will become smart more. Yeah.
Right. Thanks. Thanks, Shashank.
Thank you, Tonmai. Enjoy. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Okay. Hey, where's Rakesh Ji? Rakesh left. Rakesh, why you leaving, bro? I know you're getting scared to talk to me. Okay, Rakesh has not put his invite yet, guys, so I don't know. Okay, till then we'll take the second question, which is okay. Vaishnavi, you can ask your question actually. Vaishnavi, don't tell me you also got scared, Vaishnavi.
Hello. Yeah, the
Hi.
app. There's a bit.
Did you update the app, Vaishnavi? Are you on the latest version?
Yeah, I'm on the latest version, but some buttons just don't work sometimes.
Okay, no issues. Just tell me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me what your
Yeah.
question is.
So my question is just a basic question, but I'm sure many people will be having
That's
this.
fine. There's no such thing as
So
basic question. Go ahead. Yeah.
okay, so many times our parents invest for our education into LIC policies. So my parents have like two long-term this LIC policies, and the problem I have with them is like they just promise you security, they don't give any returns. So it's like you
Correct.
invest X amount for 7+ years and you get the X amount. That's the
Yeah,
only thing. So it's a wise decision to opt out from such policies, take the penalty, and rather invest in some funds or anything else where they give returns.
I agree. I completely agree, and I've been very vocal about this. That LIC is basically a insurance policy for your life. It is not a savings related scheme. Number one, right? A lot of people in the market keep getting confused with this exact same definition, and they feel that LIC is basically a money making scheme. It is not a money making scheme. Firstly, right? It is supposed to be for your life. It is a life cover. If something happens to you, then your immediate next of kin, or your family gets the money. So it is not a life insurance policy. It is not a savings policy or a savings return. So people are expecting that. Whoever is expecting that is not good. Correct.
Yeah. But rather
Yeah.
just opt out of such policies because we already have a lot of life
Instead of opting out,
cover.
you can just stop paying the premium, right, and just let it lapse eventually, and then eventually you'll get. Or actually, if you stop paying the premium, then it might not. Your sum assured will still be there, right? So maybe do something like that.
Okay, all right.
Again, you
Yeah.
should do one thing. Why don't you check what is the returns that is being given there, right? You can check that.
No, no, there's like no return. It is like every month you pay some amount and
Yeah.
like you get that amount only at the end of all those years. Like
Yeah, it's very
it's like
bad. You should
keeping
not
money in
use
a
it
safe.
as a. Yeah, it is not good to invest in LIC as an investment. It is good for keeping it for a life insurance, right? So if your parents are doing that, please tell them go invest in some mutual fund or something like that. Which even if you invest in index, it gives you 20%. Yeah, almost even at least 10%, 15%. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, now let's take both the biggies to talk together, Elon and Rakesh. A lot of people are waiting for this cameo for a very long period of.
Namaste, Shashank ji. Hi,
No.
Hello, what's up?
Doji to the moon.
Troll Max. Okay, hello Rakesh ji, hello Elon bhai, how are you? Hope everything is treating you well.
All good, all good. So,
How's the
first
weather
of
in
all, I'd like to say
California
sorry.
and Bombay?
Today, market fell by 2 points. I tried my best to stop it, but I couldn't avoid it.
Yeah,
So,
I
sorry
don't know
for
what
that.
you're doing, man. I think you should stop investing in private equity and focus more on public equity. Too much private
All
equity deals are happening.
correct. We'll see. Everything will happen
Yeah,
one by
go ahead,
one.
man.
So, one day, Anish ji was also telling me that we want to see you in the top three richest people in Asia. So, I told him, yeah, I'll have to wait a little bit.
Yeah,
It'll
because
happen
Ambani
one
is
day.
clearly going ahead, right? I know you guys are all like, my Gujubai is your Gujubai, but still, I want you also to become in the top three. Yes.
Okay, so I have a
Shashank,
question actually.
Yeah.
So my question is that so in 1940 there was this Bretton Woods uh,
1940, there was what?
Pan
What,
Masala.
what, what? Hello?
hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so in 1944 there was this Bretton Woods agreement where all the countries agreed that they would keep the US dollar as as a monetary reserve, and
Yeah,
each country will monitor its currency value with the US dollar. So my
yeah,
question is that if the countries, what they do now is if they so we obviously see that because of this agreement, US has a very like it is dominating the global market. Okay,
correct.
so if the countries what they do is they change from instead of using US dollars, if they
Hmm.
change their reserve to something like Bitcoin or Ethereum, like a decentralized or a
Yeah,
non-sovereign store of value, what impact will it probably have on the global market, and how will it affect USA and other countries?
very interesting question, Rakesh ji. I mean, you took us back to 1940. Clearly shows you have aged well. So That's very interesting. I'll tell you why. Firstly, I don't know why all of them agreed to that Bretton Woods agreement, right? And even though all of them have agreed to the Bretton Woods agreement to make that the better thing, everyone in the global market is vying for, trying to become, I am the better currency. Everyone's trying to become a better currency one by one, correct? If you have noticed,
Correct.
everyone wants to become the next currency, or see, anyway, even though they peg it to dollar, right? Even though they peg it to dollar, uh, it's not like dollar is influencing them a lot. It doesn't matter, right? It's like saying it's like indexation, right? I invested today, my index is at 100. So even if India does really well, our currency keeps becoming lower, lower, lower than dollar. But the thing is, as your point being, why can't they do it with Bitcoin? Because it's decentralized. Bitcoin is actually not decentralized in utmost reality.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Okay. Now you would say that's why I keep telling about this concept or theory that I have in the future, that there will be one universal coin that everyone will use, right? I don't know what that is, but definitely there will be a point where every country says, and US will be screwing up so much, and then every country will be like, you know what, get lost. Like we don't want to peg against you. But anyway, it doesn't matter what the peg is, right? Because the reason why the peg still holds right now is because US is dominant and it is a superpower, and the dollar is like very important. But the day dollar becomes useless, assume the dollar becomes like Zimbabwe,
Hmm.
right? You know what happened in Zimbabwe?
Yeah.
Currency is
Hyperinflation.
useless right now. In fact, the paper on which the currency is printed is more important than the currency itself. Now, if tomorrow dollar becomes like currency, we will still peg. So one Indian rupee will be, say, $50,000, right? Something like that. That's how it would just inverse it up across. And then they'll be like, you know what, this is not a good way to measure it. Let's change it to the next stable currency that is there, which implicates a lot of global demand. Oh, it is China. Chalo, let's do a China yen comparison, or let it be India. So that is what will usually happen. But yes, what you're saying, the same thing happens in US, in the crypto markets. There is one stable thing called USDT. Have you heard of that, USDT?
No, I'm actually new to the crypto market. You
Okay,
see,
so
I've been
oh yes, yeah,
trading
because
the
I
stocks
know,
all
you
these
didn't
years.
believe it. I agree, I agree. So there is this thing called USDT, right? Now USDT में क्या होता है? Basically, it is again a central peg. Okay, it is like a central peg towards USDT. So everything is compared to one stable currency. But your point of why can't they do it to a cryptocurrency? You should also understand that cryptocurrency is a threat to all local currencies. Number one. Okay, that's a big
Correct.
threat to even Indian rupee, to all our wealth also. In fact, a cryptocurrency is actually against us as human beings, right? Or not human beings, but it is against the traditional system of currency. So if cryptocurrency becomes famous, traditional currency becomes useless. Please understand that. Because what is
Shashank,
currency? It is just a medium of exchange, right? I am giving you so much and you value it and you give me so much in return. That's all. That's currency for you in 101.
Shashank, I think you are talking this to an old school right now. I don't know.
No, no, no. Yeah,
Man,
I am
stop
talking
trolling
little.
me, man.
This guy, dude. Yeah, it is old school, but nonetheless, the points are important, right? So yeah, so what was I saying? That eventually it will become a bad thing. So your point of, will they go against the Brentwood agreement? It can. It highly, most possibly, most definitely can one day. But that's not anytime soon, because if it goes against our crypto, if it goes against it, we will actually incur a lot of loss. So we don't know how the future of finance is going to play out. So let's just take it as it comes, is what I would say. But your point is bang on, right? What if they change it to USD? Instead of USD, they change it to Bitcoin? Nothing will happen. But what if Bitcoin starts getting adopted more? Then there is an issue. Yeah.
Hmm. Correct. So, like, just a question related to this itself. So, like, what time frame are you seeing? Like, how many years from now do you think something like this might happen? Like, just a rough estimate.
At least 15 years into the future, definitely something like this can happen.
Okay.
10 years
Thank you,
minimum,
Shashank.
I would say. 10 years minimum.
Okay.
But this is inevitable. The way I see it, it is inevitable. I'm not talking about Bitcoin being inevitable. I'm talking about a global coin, that one, there'll be one coin which will be used across the world. That will be inevitable.
Hmm.
I don't know
Sorry, we
what that
might not
coin
be
is.
there by that time, but yeah, I'll be happy for you.
Elon will be in Mars at that point. So yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Rakesh ji. Thank
Okay.
you for humbling us with
Thank
your
you, Shashank
presence.
ji. Thank you for having me on stage.
Yes, Elon, please. Do you agree with the views of our veteran investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala?
Yes, he's a fundamental investor, so he's good. But you can't say this all these crypto things to him, right? So that's why.
Okay, awesome, awesome. Nice, nice stuff. Okay. So
So
much build up to this session, guys. I don't know if for all the people who have been here daily, there's so much build up to this. Okay, awesome.
so
Ask me a
Shashank,
question.
I always wanted to invest in private equity in India. So
Private
is there?
equity. You mean private companies, not private equity.
Yes. So I wanted to. So I want to ask a question whether retail investors shall they buy private equity?
Yeah.
Like
Private equity is not private equity. We are asking, will retail investors invest in private companies? Yes.
yes, like
It's already happening, by the way.
Rakesh Ji is buying in famous
Correct.
animal husbandry, right? So I'm asking
Correct.
if we can invest in small amounts in all this private equity.
In small companies, yeah, it depends, but you need to have internal connection and internal touch, right? It all depends on your connections in the market, but it's definitely possible. So I'm actually investing in two more companies. One is a Zerodha company that is getting backed by Zerodha. So I'm investing not a big amount, a very small amount.
So
I'm investing
where
in
can
another
I?
new fintech company. Now, no, it's not like I went and found them, right? They find me. It's all via, right? Friends of friends are saying, okay, buy this, buy that.
Okay. So can we
So
invest a
you
small
can.
amount?
It's not like you can't. Hmm?
Shall we invest a small amount?
Small only, bro. Where will invest crores and crores of money? You can't do that.
Okay.
Kutti amounts only. Even I'm investing like 1.5 lakhs only per company, not much. Because the risk because I'm more for long term wealth creation, so I don't want to put a lot of money instead of buying 1.5 lakhs or 1 lakh into Matic or Polygon. It's the same type of risk element that I'm using, and I'm putting it into things. So it's not private equity; it is small startups. What
Yes.
you can,
So I want to ask if is there a medium where I can search these companies who needs fund?
No. Only thing that you can do is you can ask who are these people. You should get connected with some investment bankers or investment banking friends of if you have, and then you should ask them that every time there's a new deal that comes, please introduce us. Let me put some small amount. But again, your amount has to be big for it to even be useful of their time, right?
Okay. So in return you will get some equity, right?
Yeah. In return, you get stocks of that company.
Okay. Okay.
So, for example, even in our current round, we took some money from some investors, right?
Yes.
It was very some people gave very small amounts, some people gave big amounts, but it's okay. But we reached out to them,
Okay.
right?
Cool.
Okay, awesome, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Elon.
Thank you, Shasha. Thank you, India.
Okay.
And
Sorry, Elon. Sorry. I think I cut it by mistake. Either way, I hope that was a great session for you guys. Sorry, I need to go for another meeting at 5:30. But I hope that was a great session for you guys. A lot of build up to this session. कि कौन है इसके पीछे kind of a thing. Yeah, but it finally happened. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this session. I hope you guys learned something interesting that you guys want me to do a lot of crypto stuff. So I will work on that as well. I mean, I'll work towards that. Slowly, we will build that also. Okay, anything for the everything and anything for the audience, so let us do that. Cool, awesome, guys. So I will see you soon in the future, which I think is tomorrow. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, chalo, bye.